All right, we are super excited. We're finally getting to take the Eclipse. I say finally, it's only been about a week, but we've had the car for a little while. We're taking our Eclipse over to EWCTC so they can start on it. And this is sort of its maiden voyage, and hopefully the next time we see it, stuff's ripped apart and they're starting on, I believe, the bodywork first. So we're really excited. Here we go. What do you think is the most exciting day of the build? The day you drop it off or the day you pick it up? Go ahead. You can go too. Yeah, good.
Can I help you?
Hello, it's Josh from Blackout Tinting. We're going to drop off a car.
Oh, take it back collision.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thanks.
we broke. As soon as I went to hit the gas, it died.
As soon as I left, my good vibes. There we go. Well, this is a great start.
Like if it's aligned perfectly, you can let your hands off the wheel.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, maybe we can clean them up a little bit, do something with it, but it's obviously if it's working, we're gonna let it go, clean it up and see how it works and go with it. Like I said, what we're gonna do is we'll strip it down. Obviously, we're gonna leave the hood on for now, protect the engine and stuff, so we don't have to dust and stuff in it. We'll pull the front end off, pull the mirrors, pull everything off like that, pull the door panels, front and rear bumper, all the lights, strip it down to that part, and then we'll start sanding the car down. Okay. Strip it down to bare metal and see what we're getting into body wise.
Okay. I would say we're definitely gonna end up with new headlights.
Yep.
Front, rear bumper,
You're gonna want headlights, you're gonna want all that stuff. And I don't know about driving lights, if this, you know, with the body kit might not work with them, I don't know. We'll see once we get that. Or you might want to put your own in there to match whatever they have, you know what I mean?
Yep.
So yeah, if we can get, like I said, we get together, we can sit down, we can get our game plan going. Maybe get your breakdown sheet of all the stuff you're gonna order.
Yep. We have
you have a list. We can see what we're getting, so that would be really good too. Cool. Once we do that, then we can get rolling with it. I mean, the easy thing for us right now is we start tearing it down, and then, like I said, we get the up part done. I don't know what your interior plans are and all that, so
we're gonna try to match the interior also.
All right, so we can leave like the panels off and stuff. And I don't know if you're paint them or do whatever you got to do.
Yeah, panels I'm not sure. Seats I know we're gonna do like smart codes or whatever.
Yeah.
Steering wheel, you know, all that stuff.
All that stuff's gonna go.
Yeah, rear seats going away from Haas model.
That's the way to do it. I hope the bottles are gonna be working.
They are.
All right.
Yeah.
I said he asked me, he goes, they're putting NOS in. I said, well, I hope they're hooked up.
Yeah,
I said I would if it was my car to be hooked up, you know.